Hey everyone! If you've been thinking about switching to Xero or starting with professional accounting software for your business, you need to watch this video right now. I'm about to show you how to get 90% off Xero for 6 months, plus a free $100 Amazon gift card. This is the best deal I've ever seen from Xero, and it's only available for February 2026. So let's jump right in. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future deals like this one. Alright, let's talk about what you're actually getting here. First, you get 90% off your Xero subscription for the first 6 months. Now, this isn't some watered-down trial version. You get full access to everything Xero offers. Second, and this is new for February 2026, you also get a free $100 Amazon gift card. Or if you're outside the US, you'll get the local currency equivalent. Now let me show you exactly how much you'll save. If you choose Xero's comprehensive plan, which normally costs $100 per month, you'll only pay $10 per month for 6 months. Regular price, $600. Discounted price, $60. Your savings, $540. Plus a free $100 Amazon gift card. That's $540 in savings, plus a $100 gift card. We're talking about $640 in total value here. Now, before you sign up, there are 3 important things you need to know to actually receive that $100 Amazon gift card. Requirement number 1, you must sign up using a verified partner link during the month of February. I'll drop my link in the description below. It's a verified partner link that automatically applies the discount. Requirement number 2, you need to connect your bank account to Xero within the first 7 months of your subscription. This is super easy and actually one of Xero's best features because it automates your transaction matching. Requirement number 3, you must maintain a paid Xero subscription for at least 7 months after you sign up. So basically, keep your subscription active through the 6-month promotional period, plus 1 more month. As long as you meet these 3 requirements, Xero will send you that $100 Amazon gift card. Pretty straightforward. So who is this deal perfect for? If you're a freelancer tired of managing invoices and expenses in spreadsheets, Xero is going to change your life. If you're a startup founder who needs professional accounting software but you're watching your budget, this is literally the perfect time to switch. If you run an e-commerce business on Shopify, Amazon, or eBay and you're drowning in transaction reconciliation, Xero connects directly with these platforms and automates everything. And if you're a small business owner who's been using QuickBooks but you're frustrated with the pricing or the interface, Xero is a fantastic alternative. And right now it's 90% cheaper. The bottom line is, if you need to track income and expenses, send invoices, reconcile bank transactions, or generate financial reports, Xero can handle it all. Alright, let me walk you through exactly how to sign up and activate this discount. It's super simple and takes about 5 minutes. Step 1. First, click the partner link in my description below. This is crucial. The 90% discount and the gift card eligibility only work through authorized partner links. You'll land on the Xero sign-up page, and there should be a banner that says, "Get 90% off for 6 months." If you don't see this, the promotion might have ended. Step 2. Next, enter your email address and create a password. Then add your basic business information, your business name, industry, and location. Step 3. Now you'll choose your plan. Xero has 3 plans: Grow, Comprehensive, and Ultimate 10. The Grow plan is usually $75 per month, now $7.50. The Comprehensive plan is usually $100 per month, now $10. And the Ultimate 10 plan is usually $130 per month, now $13. Most small businesses do great with the comprehensive plan. That's what I recommend for most people watching this. Step 4. After selecting your plan, verify your email. Xero will send you a confirmation link. Just click it to activate your account. Step 5. Finally, enter your payment details. Don't worry, you'll only be charged the discounted amount during these first 6 months, and you can cancel anytime if Xero isn't right for you. And that's it. You're now saving 90% for 6 months, and you're on track to receive that $100 Amazon gift card. Now let me quickly show you some of my favorite Xero features that make it worth using even after the discount ends. First up, automatic bank reconciliation. Once you connect your bank account, Xero pulls in all your transactions automatically and matches them with your invoices and bills. This literally saves hours every week. Second, professional invoicing. You can create branded invoices, send them directly from Xero, and even accept online payments through Stripe or PayPal. Your clients can pay you with one click. Third, the mobile apps. Both iOS and Android apps are fantastic. You can snap photos of receipts, create invoices, and check your cash flow, all from your phone. And finally, integrations. Xero connects with over 1,000 apps including Shopify, PayPal, Salesforce, and more. If you use it for your business, it probably integrates with Xero. Before we wrap up, a few important reminders. 1. This February deal ends soon. Once February is over, the $100 gift card bonus disappears. The 90% discount might stick around, but the gift card is definitely February only. 2. You must be a new Xero customer. If you've used Xero before, you won't qualify for this promotion. 3. Remember to connect your bank within 7 months and keep your subscription active for at least 7 months to receive the gift card. 4. There's no contract. If you try Xero for a month or two and decide it's not for you, you can cancel anytime with no penalty. You'll just lose the remaining promotional months. And 5. The link you need is in the description below. Make sure you use a verified partner link. Random links won't activate the discount. Listen, whether you're just starting your business or you've been running it for years, good accounting software is non-negotiable. And at $7.50 to $13 per month for 6 months plus a $100 gift card, there's literally never been a better time to try Xero. So click that link in the description, sign up today, and start automating your accounting. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more business tool reviews and deals, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about Xero. I read every single comment and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.